Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. The UP State Cement Corporation Limited, bracket start, for short, the corporation, bracket close, was wound up on 8th December 1999. Stop. There is no dispute about the fact that the said corporation is an instrumentality of the state under Article 12 of the Constitution of India. Stop. It is the admitted position that in the state of UP existed a set of rules, namely the Uttar Pradesh Absorption of Retrenched Employees of Government or Public Corporation in Government Service Rules 1991, bracket start, for short, the 1991 rules, bracket close, stop. After the corporation was wound up, Shailendra Kumar Pandey and some others who were the employees of the corporation filed civil miscellaneous writ petition number 36644 of 2003 seeking absorption under the aforesaid rules. Stop. The learned single judge hearing the writ petition referred to Rule 3 within bracket 1 of the rules that deals with the rights of the retrenched employees. Stop. He referred to the dictionary clause engrafted in Rule 2 within bracket C, which reads as follows. Stop. Retrenched employees means a person who was appointed on the post under the government or a public corporation on or before October 1, 1986 in accordance with the procedure laid down for recruitment to the post and was continuously working in any post under the government or such corporation up to the date of his retrenchment. Stop. Due to reduction in or winding up of any establishment of the government or the corporation as the case may be, and in respect of whom a certificate of being a retrenched employee has been issued by this appointing authority. Stop. After reproducing the said provision, the writ petition referred to the order passed in civil miscellaneous writ petition number 17195 of 1998 and reproduced the relevant paragraphs from the decision rendered therein and thereafter took note of the fact that the said order had been affirmed in special appeal number 540 of 1999 and further stood confirmed by this court. For the appeal preferred before this court did not meet with success. Stop. The learned single judge also referred to the order passed in civil miscellaneous writ petition number 38534 of 2001 on 20th September 2003, wherein a direction was issued to the respondent number 2 to take appropriate decision. Stop. After the said direction was issued, the principal secretary within bracket personnel government of UP rejected the claims of the petitioners therein on the foundation that the personnel department did not have the authority to declare the employees as retrenched employees and to take a decision for their absorption. Para. After supplying the copy of challan to the accused free of costs, the Ilaka magistrate, wide order dated 12-10-2011, committed the case to the Court of Sessions, whereas accused Vikas faced inquiry before the Juvenile Justice Board as he was declared juvenile. Stop. Initially, the complaint was filed against Suresh Kumar Mehta and Banke Khurana, but as the address of Suresh Mehta could not be ascertained by the complainant. Para. On 17-10-2011, after hearing the arguments and after perusing the summoning order, complaint and accompanying documents, The court charged sheet the accused under Section 135 of the Electricity Act 2003, to which the accused pleaded not guilty and claimed trial. Stop. The complainant was asked to lead evidence. Over.